So hi everyone, I am Kayum and in this video we will going to learn that how to add or resize data files on Oracle DB single instance database. Okay. So first of all we need to get the data about which table space having a threshold so that we can know that we need to add or resize some data files from a table space. So for getting the table space data usage we will use this query. Okay, and this query will help us in finding out table space usage. Okay, so as you can see that we are getting this much. Okay, so on this from this we can see that sysocks table space is used up to 95%. Okay, so now we need to find data files names and their paths from about table space for individual table space. Okay, for individual table space. So here for example we need to get the data files for the sysocks usage. Okay, so for this sysocks table space we need to find the data file path. Okay, so for this we will use the next query. So here on this is the query for that, and we will add our table space here. Okay, or let use and query. Okay, table space name. Okay, so let me copy this. By using this query we will get the table space data files. Okay, okay, now here enter the table space name. Okay, so here you can see that sysocks table space having only one data file which is named as sysocks. Okay, and this is the path. Okay, this is the file path. So we need to copy this file path first of all. Okay, from here we will going to copy this, and now next we will add a new data file on this path. Okay, above path. Okay, so for that we will use alter. Okay, now we need to add a data file in sysaux table space. For that we will need to alter table space. Okay, alter table space, then table space name which is sysaux, then we will need to add data file. Okay, now here we need to give the path for the data file. Okay, so we are pasting it. Now here we need to change only the file name. Okay, and then mention the size of the table space. So here I am taking 1 GB of data file size. You can take anything like 100 GB, 1 TB, depends on the scenario. Now here auto extend off, so it will not extend automatically. Okay, so in this way by using this we can add a data file. Okay, now hit enter and let's wait for the system altered, so it will get reflect on the database, and I will going to show you that whether we are getting a new file or not. So here we are getting this message from the database. Okay, so now the database has been altered. So let me show you this. Okay, now initially previously it was having only one file. Now let's see that whether our created file is present there or not. Okay, sysox. Okay, so you can see that we have created we had created a new file here, which is namely as sysox02. Okay, so this is how we can add a data file. Now here we will resize the data file. Okay, we will resize the data file on this path. Okay, so let me copy it again, copy it, then use alter data base and then data file. Okay, here need to mention the file path. Okay, so we are resizing this sysox 2 dbf file, so for that we will give a resize name then I will mention 2 GB. Okay, so I want to increase this data file from 1 GB to the 2 GB. Okay, so this is how we will going to do it. Alter database data file, then mention the file path, then again resize and then the size. Okay, 2 GB. Okay, so now enter now let's enter it and wait for the table space altered. So in this way we will going to do add of the data file inside the table space into table space and also resize the data file on the table space. Okay, okay, so we are getting a message as database altered. So again let me copy it, copy, then let's see that does our data files ox. Okay, so you can see that previously we are having this file, we had this file at 1 GB, okay, of size, and now after our database altered command we are having this data file as of 2 GB. So in this way we can add, resize the data file on a table space. Okay, so now let's again query for the table space usage. Okay, after addition of the new data file. Okay, get the table space detail. Okay, so you can see that where is the sysox, this is the sysox. So yes, we are getting this. So previously it was at 95%. Let me show you. Previously it was at 95% used, and now after uh, addition of a data file in the table space we are having the usage at 32%. So in this way we can do it. Okay, so now how to drop a data file. Okay, now how to drop a data file. So let me add first alter table space sysox. Okay, add data file here dbf, then size 1 GB, auto extend of. So for dropping a data file, for this we are adding one more file in sysox table space for as an example use. So we will going to okay, done. Now let's see that our data file is added or not there. Copy it, paste it, sysox. So here you can see that we added one more file for example. Now how to drop a data file. Okay, how to drop a data file. Okay, so alter database data file, copy, then paste. Let drop data file, paste it.